The capex-driven, growth-oriented budget is the best way to summarize Budget 2022 that was presented by the Finance Minister in the Parliament today. Well, a lot of ground was covered in the Budget 2022 as there was a lot of impetus on micro, small and medium enterprises that were ravaged by the COVID pandemic. In fact, a lot of these sectors of the new age economy found mention in the budget as well. So from EVs to battery manufacturing to solar power, there is something for all these sectors in the budget. Even though there wasn't much by way of changes in the income tax slabs as well as the standard deduction when it comes to individual taxpayers, but there was a lot of clarity when it comes to taxing digital assets as well as the digital currency that was supposed to be unveiled by the Reserve Bank. So Finance Minister did mention that the RBI will be unveiling its digital rupee that will be run by the blockchain technology in the current fiscal itself. In fact, when it comes to taxing digital assets, a tax rate of 30% will be levied on income arising out of digital assets, and that will be to bring the tax rate at par with income from some game show or lotteries, as I had mentioned earlier. In fact, it has also been brought under the TDS net. So a TDS of 1% will be levied on income arising out of digital assets, and any kind of income arising out of digital assets will not be allowed to be set off against any other income. In case you're the recipient of a digital asset by way of a gift, well, you will have, in fact, you, the recipient, will have to incur the tax expenses arising out of it. There is reason for disappointment when it comes to individual taxpayers because there was no tinkering with the standard deduction or the income tax slabs as was being widely anticipated. However, from the market standpoint, there was some good news as the government has capped the surcharge on LTCG tax to 15%, and that in turn will reduce the amount of tax payable towards long-term capital gains. Well, that's it from me for now, but stay tuned for more updates.